Welcome to another Paranormal Seeker short with my junior investigation team back at Calico's Ghost Town doing a little research on Liz Mock. Well, Liz Mock, she used to own the spice shop at Calico's. She made many friends during her time when she was around, but of course, her time is gone, and then we decided to do some research on her. Well, we headed into the miner's cave and captured a voice and a picture.
Can we take your silver? Can we take your silver? Anything in this hallway?
It's supposed to be the archivist, but like 2017, 2016, the head archivist was encountering paranormal.